Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 Index Fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 Index analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here, I told you in the last video about the SP 500 here, when it's breaking here to enter short. If you remember, in Friday, we used to have here a triangle, and when it's breaking here in Friday, the last Friday, I told you to enter short and look there where we are. So what the view now, I think is going to continue down till here, guys, till that place here, because we are now in a downtrend, guys, and I explain all those things to you, because if you go in here from the 4 hours to daily here, what you see in here, I show you all those things before, but it's okay to repeat it. I show you, look at the 200 moving average here. Every time we used to touch it, it's falling down, and now also we are going down. So now what the view, I think is going to fall down till that level here, that for short term, guys, till here exactly. And over here you take some of the profit and you searching for a buy opportunity. Till now also we're still going down, guys. So let's going back to the 4 hours to see what is it there. So I think everything is too clear, guys, because if you remember, even here we used to have here a channel like that, and that channel is getting broke. Same thing like how it's happening in the Bitcoin. Same thing like how it's happening here in the SP 500. Everything it's looking, it's falling. And now also we are going down here. I told you that the first target for us, guys, here we will sell something. Then we will see if it's going to come down till here or no. And today is Monday, guys. Don't forget that. Today is Monday. So we need to wait in what the market is going to give us here. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in, guys, to see our indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we've been here at the overbought area. We've been in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. And we've been need the price action to come down for us. Also, we need to enter short. So the price action will come is that one here, that triangle we used to have here, like that. When it's breaking here, it's breaking the 200 moving average. Also, we enter short, and now it's still going down, guys. As I told you, to take profit here. And even our indicator, it's near to the oversold area. So we need to wait in a little bit till it's going to enter in the oversold area. Maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow. We don't know exactly when. But also we're going in the right direction, guys. I think everything is too clear. By the way, yes, you, are you not yet a subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. One after European market close, and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing, guys. So let's go in there. Here it is, guys, the Nasdaq 100. Even that one, the same thing. We enter short in it in Friday. It's breaking here, or Thursday. I think Friday we enter here. We enter here, guys, and to look till where we are now. We are very close to take profit. Take profit of us. For that one, we said it here, guys. That was me. I told you that last peak here, and you are in it. But over here, try to protect yourself. Take some of the profit now. Some of the profit, not all of the profit. By the way, if you want that money management strategy, is very, very, very well explained in our crypto investing course. The course is down in the first comment. Go to it. You're going to learn a very, very, very stronger money management strategy. Because majority of people, they're losing. Why? Why they're losing their money? Not because they don't know or they don't have a trading strategy. Trading strategy, you can choose any easy trading strategy in the world and it will work for you. People, they're losing because they don't know where exactly to take profit and where exactly to enter and where to go out. That's the most important. So if you want to learn a very stronger money management strategy, it's down in the first comment. Go to it. It's going to teach you a lot of things. So guys, here what I told you is going to continue down, maybe till here. We don't know exactly tell where, maybe here, but now you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. As you see, that one, now you are in it. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. And here, what else we said before? We said we got here a wage like that. We said that one is going to go down till here. But now at that level where you are now, try to protect yourself, take some of the profit because you are in nice profit now. protect yourself. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicators, what they say for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we've been here at the overbought area. We've been in a very stronger supply and demand zone. We've been waiting for a price action to happen. The price action will happen here is that one, the triangle, same like how it's happened in the SP 500. When it's breaking here, we enter short and look till where we are now. So now we are very close to the oversold area, as you see it. Now try to protect yourself. Now try to protect yourself. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Now try to protect yourself. Because today is Monday, guys, and tomorrow, and as I've been telling you every time, after Monday the market is doing what against what is going to do all the week. So here Monday it's showing we are going down. Maybe all the week we're going to go higher, guys, because majority of the people they thinking the SP and all the market is going to stay sideways, guys, and that's what it's showing here in that level where we are. So now try to protect yourself. Everything is too clear. By the way, you, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button. Go ahead and do it. Pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please pause the video, smashing the like, writing down a comment. It's not something hard, just 1 second from your time. Do it now, please. Pause the video now, smash the like button. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into the DXY, guys, to see what the DXY or US dollar index doing today. So let's go in there. The DXY, guys, as you see, we used to have here a channel like that, a down channel like that. We said when it's going to break in here, we enter long. It's breaking there, guys. So now us, we need to be long. Stop loss of us, we put it down here at that level. Take profit, it needs to be here at the 200 moving average, as I showed you before. I told you here. That was me. I told you in that last peak here, that one. That's where it needs to be, the take profit. Why, guys? Because if you making a very close eye with me, look with me, I'm not going to draw on top of it, next to it, that the first shoulder, that the head, and here it's giving us another shoulder, guys. You see it or no? But that one, it hasn't broken the neckline, guys. It's still for it a little bit to break the neckline, but also we don't enter because of that one. Also we enter, guys, because of that down channel here we used to have. It's getting broke here. We enter long. We put stop loss down here. So now we will wait. So all the people, they trade in Forex, no matter what you trade in, which pair, like let's say British pound now here, you're going to gamble, British pound is going to fall down. For Euro USD, the same thing, you're going to gamble, the Euro USD is going to fall down. But any pair like USD Japanese yen, you're going to bet the USD Japanese yen is going to go higher, guys. So I think everything is too clear here. So now what the view, as I told you guys, is going to go more higher till here, till the 200 moving average. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying. So let's see it. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. And that's why me, I told you guys, don't follow indicators. As you see it, how long it's spent here at the oversold area. And also we've been waiting the price action to get broke. The price action is getting broke now. Now also we need to enter, take profit of us. It needs to be here at the overbought area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now it's still early. The US dollar is going to go more higher than that, guys. Now, guys, let's go into the Bitcoin to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. For picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Bitcoin, same thing. Also we enter short because here we used to have here that up channel here, that one. When it's getting broke here, we enter short. We enter short, I think, in Thursday or Friday. I'm not sure. I forget the day exactly, but we enter short from here. And now Saturday and Sunday it's been sideways here, and today is Monday, it's showing we are still sideways there. But me personally, I think we are going to head to another crash till here, guys, till that level here. We need to protect ourselves. That's the first level here, and we got another level here, as you see it here, that one here, even that one. Try to close something here, because you enter from that candle here till here. Try to close something there, and me, as I show you in Friday, because if you are new here, every Friday video, we put for you the option for all the week, what the people, the view of them for the option. So people were trading the option in the of Bitcoin, majority of them, they're looking the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways between 17,500, as you see it here, till down 15,500, like that, till 15,500, guys. So as I told you, that one maybe is going to fall down till here, and here we're going to close everything else, and we will looking for another buy to enter from here to here again. So also now we are in a sideways market, guys, till something fundamental came new. Till now there is nothing new. And I got for you some news for the Bitcoin, guys. Let's go to see it. So the news, guys, that one is the first one. Binance, yes, they buying that Voyager, as you see it here. That one is a very, very stronger news. And the second one we got, guys, is that one, as you see it. Nigeria, they are going to be like Salvador, or because that one he put a title, is Nigeria stepping into Salvador shoes? But Nigeria, they are going to recognize cryptocurrency, and that is a very, 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 very major news, guys, because Nigeria is not a small country. It's full by people. And Nigerians, and I got some Nigerians here, they follow me. Nigerians in Africa, they are number one who holding Bitcoin, guys. Number one in all the whole Africa, Nigerians, they holding Bitcoin. That's a very, 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 very huge news, guys, for cryptocurrency, because Salvador is a very small country compared to Nigeria. Nigeria is about more than 100 million population. So that's a very, very, very stronger news, guys. So let's going back now to the chart to analyze for you more, guys. Our indicator, guys, that one, as you remember, also from here, we taking some profit. We came here, breaking here, we enter short. Now look where we are sideways here. It's still early, guys. For us, still here, we're going to take profit. But as I show you now that Nigerian news, it might is going to make a big impact to the market, guys. So make a close eye at those things. And also, we're going to come back to you after the daily candle finish it, guys. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So now, guys, here, what's still controlling here is the bears, guys. There is no bulls. The bulls they been before here. Now us, we are in a downtrend here in the 4 hours. There is no buying now. Also, we need to wait on more, guys, till we're reaching down. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go into our other indicator, what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, guys. Also, we enter short because we used to be here at the overbought area. Price action used to have one here, as you see it, that channel or that up channel here. As you see it, when it's breaking here, we enter short, we're reaching down here. Our indicator is enter here now at the oversold area. People, they enter from that level here, over here. Protect yourself now. Protect yourself. Sell what you enter with, guys. Let's say you enter short from here by $100. Now at that time, sell what or close what is equal $100, and you move stop loss down here maybe, and you waiting if we are going to fall down more or no. And me, as I show you in the option, guys, majority, and I show you all the volume is it in those strikes about puts and calls, how many that huge numbers. Majority of the people, the view of them, the Bitcoin, it will not break 15k, and the view of them, the Bitcoin, it will not break 17,500. So the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here, and that's what it's showing, guys. Also, we are here in a sideways market, as you see it, guys. There is no going up, no going down. So also we're still in a sideways market till 2023. Then also we're going to see if the market is going to take off, and I'll show you in the weekly, guys, what the market is telling you. So now you enter short from here, from that candle here, that one over here. Take some of the profit and protect yourself now. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes here. Also we enter another long from here. I'll show you why. Let me show it to you. We enter a long from here because we used to have here a down channel like that. It's getting broke here in that candle here. We enter over here. I told you to take some profit. And now look where we are here. And here what me I told you in the last video. The last video I told you we got here like that. Like a channel like that. As you see it. If it's breaking down, we will enter short again, and that one is going to be a flag, guys, like that. If it's breaking down, we will enter with it again down. Then we bring in that line here and we put it here, because also here we are in a downtrend, guys, as you see it. It's our indicators what they're saying, guys. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, we've been here at the overbought area. Told you close something. Now it doesn't break in that channel, and it's enter here to the oversold area. So now, guys, what we need to look for, we can make like that, guys, like a triangle like that, and we wait in the break to happen, either up or either down. So we need to wait on what's going to happen, guys, because now also we are here at the oversold area. And there is no price action here. Very, very stronger price action here indicating for us as we need to enter long. So we need to wait in, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.